a great choice today with the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, rear window defroster, compass, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer, luxury group 2. Come take a test drive today.